All right, my digital dreamers, brand builders, and AI-loving creative geniuses, let's get real about connection. We live in a world where brands are everywhere, content is nonstop, and everyone is competing for attention. But you know what people actually crave? To feel seen, to feel like they matter, to feel like they're not just another follower, subscriber, or valued customer. So how do you make people feel like they're your number one priority? Even when you're scaling, automating, and running a million things at once. AI-powered personalization. This isn't about spammy automated messages or creepy targeted ads that make people wonder if their phone is listening. This is about using AI to create magic. Custom experiences. VIP treatment. A brand that feels so personal, people can't help but fall in love with it. And today, I'm showing you how to use AI to personalize your content, engage with your audience like a pro, and turn customers into raving superfans. Let's do this. AI for personalized content and messaging. Make people feel seen. Ever get an email that says, "Hey, first name," and think, "Wow, how personal," except it's clearly just an automated template? Yeah, we're not doing that here. Real personalization isn't just about using a meme, it's about understanding what people actually want and delivering it at the right time. And guess what? AI can do that effortlessly. How AI creates personalized content that actually feels personal. AI-powered email subject lines and messaging. No more generic, "We miss you," emails. AI-driven content recommendations. Show people what they care about. Smart AI copywriting. Tailor your voice to different audience segments. The best AI tools for personalized content. Klaviyo and ConvertKit AI for AI-driven email personalization. Segment AI and Dynamic Yield for AI-powered audience segmentation. Versatile and Jasper AI for AI-generated personalized copy and messaging. Pro tip: the better the personalization, the higher the engagement. Make people feel like you're speaking directly to them. AI for customer engagement and retention. Keep people hooked. You know that brand you keep coming back to because it feels like they got you? That's the kind of loyalty we're creating here. People don't just want products, they want experiences. And if your brand makes them feel valued, they'll stick around. AI can help you create those deep connections without manually DMing 500 people a day. How AI boosts engagement and keeps customers coming back. AI-powered chatbots and smart assistants for answering frequently asked questions without feeling robotic. AI-driven loyalty programs reward people based on behavior, not random discounts. Predictive AI insights. AI can tell you when a customer is about to ghost you and stop it. The best AI tools for engagement and retention. ManyChat and Drift AI for AI-powered customer service chatbots. Nosto and Yotpo AI for AI-powered loyalty programs and retention tools. Montylearn AI and Retention Science for AI-driven customer insights and churn prediction. Pro tip: if people feel like they're part of something special, they'll never leave. AI helps you make that happen. AI for personalized shopping and customer journeys. Give people what they actually want. You ever go to an online store and it just knows what you're looking for? No endless scrolling, no weird recommended for you fails. Just the perfect picks, waiting for you. That's AI personalization at work. AI isn't just about automation. It's about understanding what people actually want before they even know they want it. How AI optimizes shopping and customer journeys. AI-driven product recommendations show the right products at the right time. Dynamic pricing and special offers. AI adjusts pricing and discounts based on behavior. Smart retargeting and checkout optimization. AI helps customers complete purchases instead of abandoning carts. Best AI tools for shopping and customer experience. Shopify AI and WeBuy AI for AI-driven product recommendations. PriceMove and Sniffy AI for AI-powered pricing and dynamic discounts. Personalize and Segment AI for AI-driven social media and user segmentation. Pro tip: the smoother the experience, the higher the sales. AI helps people find exactly what they need without the frustration. Make your brand feel personal with AI. All right, all my digital wizards, it's time to put AI to work and create some magic. Here's your challenge. Step 1. Set up an AI-powered personalization tool, email, chatbot, or recommendation engine. Step 2. Use AI to customize content for different customer segments. Step 3. Implement AI-driven product recommendations, messages, or experiences. Step 4. Launch and tag me on Instagram at Angelina Milajki. I want to see your AI-powered personalization in action. And that is how you use AI to make every customer feel like a VIP. No more robotic automation. No more one-size-fits-all marketing. Just real, meaningful connections at scale. Because the brands that win, they're the ones that make people feel something. And now, with AI, you can do that without spending every waking hour glued to your inbox. Next up, we're diving into AI for community building and engagement, because keeping customers is just as important as getting them. See you there.